Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. How are you, everyone? I hope everyone is well. I am also fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. At this moment, I am standing our Masjid Umar and Olive Tree Quran Academy, which is situated Muswafur area in the city of Maulavi Bazar. Now I will try to show our Masjid Umar and Olive Tree Quran Academy, so you can see our Masjid Umar and Olive Tree Quran Academy. You can see a font. After font that place, our Khadija Girls Madrasa will be established in next year. Now I am going to